Masters of Flight is my favorite ride at Legoland Orlando. It is a motion simulator style ride similar to Soarin' at Epcot for those of you who have been to Disney World. You basically are rotated and then suspended in an IMAX that gives you a complete greater than 180-degree viewing experience. After this brief introduction, I'll play full first-person footage from the ride. However, on this ride you are flying around on Emmett's latest invention, the triple-decker couch. If you've seen the second Lego movie, that movie takes place in a ton of different locations, and in this ride, we'll fly through every single one. Whether it's riding on a rainbow road, chasing dragons through Middle Zealand, flying over an intense pirate ship battle, blasting through space asteroids over to Rex's ship, or battling it out with Duplo Legos, the ride really takes you through an abridged version of the movie. But let's take a quick detour back to reality for some tips to maximize your experience. The lines for this can get long, but if you watch the app, it'll sometimes drop to 20 minutes, which is absolutely the sweet spot. That said, this ride is worth longer waits. There is a fair bit of line entertainment, both through a place for young kids to build Legos while waiting, and a fun quiz with a lot of Lego trivia. The line is almost entirely encapsulated by this first room. In the next room, there's a short staging area that gives you directions and tells you what to expect. You'll be standing on numbered circles that help guide you to their correct chair on the ride. Then, you'll simply buckle in and wait to be spun around to experience the show. So without further ado, here is the full first-person footage from our flight.
Couch for the first time to an assembly of master builders. They may be unable to control themselves. Fellow master builders, I present to you my latest invention, the triple-decker couch. Is everyone ready? Let the competition begin.
Let's go!
This is my first time flying. Also, this will be the first time this vehicle has been tested in flight, so there may be some turbulence. Sorry! We were trying moving a couch. Try flying. Oh, my bad. Sorry about that. Let's try this. Hey, we're flying! And we're flying.
clip.
Let's make it awesomer. Hey, we made it. That was awesome. We have voted, and the winning invention is the triple-decker couch. Whoa, really? Everything is awesome. Everything is great. We also interrupt the singing of that song since we just managed to get it out of our heads.
Congratulations, Evans. You did it.
We did it. Thanks for everything, Master Builders. And remember, your world is what you make it. Build something incredible.